Test. Okay. Test. Oh, never mind that. Man, I thought I fixed that. I guess not. Great. Mr. Intel. You're really gonna do me like that? Let's see. Which one is this? It's this one, isn't it? Dude, I don't need normals. What the hell is this crap? That's right, Adele. That's right. Next one we're gonna buy Bangladesh for $2. That's right. Get on the cheap. The hell? This is the offending one, right? It's like being a freaking surgeon, dude, I swear to God. Funny. Yeah, it's funny. Let's see. Thank you. Oh, do I have anything else that's offensive? Maybe this? Why not attending a parade? It's too cold up there. I like it where it's warm. Unlike some other little countries people live in, the United States is humongous. Flying to the capital would take an insane amount of time. Still something here. Have I ever used game engines? No. I mean, actually, sorry, I have. Of course, I have used game engines. In fact, I've been paid to work and create a game engine. For several years, I was working on what is now. Even wrote a book on this. Wrote in the book how to make games using this particular open source engine. This used to be Amazon's, and then give it away for free to Linux Foundation. And then I prototyped my game in this engine for a while. And then I prototyped my game in Unreal, but I didn't like any of it. So I said, screw it. But yesterday I implemented item dice. So now I can dye an item black. For example, you just drag and drop. Bam. Got black hair. Oh yeah, look at that. I'll go brunette. Just like that. Yeah, I worked with game engines before. But wasn't happy to deal with all the nonsense that they come with. You know what, I do want the blue one actually. Yeah, I've been primarily engine developer. But that was because initially I was thinking I would be making my game inside a game engine, so I wanted to know as much about game engines as possible. But in the process I figured like, hey, you know what? I want to make my own stuff anyway. Bro, I'm from Eastern Europe. All I need to do is date another girl from Eastern Europe, and that'll be hot. It doesn't need to be Latina. That's something Westerners do because they have problems dating Eastern Europeans. I don't have that problem. What I do need is I want blue color, some kind of blue color. Let's see what kind of color do I want. Some kind of blue thing. Question is what kind. Cause I don't really want it to be like a feminist blue, you know what I'm saying? But some kind of, hold up. Stop looking at a nasty robot. Let's see, what kind of blue do I want? I do like light color actually. You know, I'll take it. I'll take it. If you would like to see another color of your choice, speak now or later. Oh, it's cyan. Right? Is that what it is? Okay, acquired. Can I just... probably not. Well, good luck getting sponsorship to college. Another way to get into United States is maybe get like an exchange college program. So you can come here for like a semester or two. Let's see. Perfect. This is like anime color. I like it. I approve. Just need to fix up those random dark patches. Yeah. In my case for college, I got a scholarship probably because I played chess well. Because I won like a state chess championship in high school. So I bet that's what got me a scholarship for college. Wait, what is this pixel? Kinda hoping. Some weirdness in there, isn't it? What is this crap? Oh, it's this boy misbehaving. What the? Oh yeah, it's this one. Damn it. Yeah, you know what? I need to. playing a game, I swear to God. Alright. Let's get the C out of the way. Yeah. That seems more reasonable. The under here is still nasty mess, but maybe. Okay. Okay, next time making here, I'm gonna make it a very different fashion, so it will be way easier to rig, because this has been a mess. But this looks almost quite fine. Should be good now. Um, LLL. Loose, yes. Saved. Re-export, which will take 3.5 years, of course. Well, what do you think else goes into chocolates aside from sugar? Oh. There's only one thing that doesn't have sugar, and that's meat. Fatty meat. Even in cacao, even though the plants is basically sugar anyway. How the hell do you pronounce this thing, by the way?
Cocoa.
Let's see. Nutritional value of cacao. Oh yeah. Carbs for days. It's like 80% of it is carbs. It's almost nothing. It's all carbs. This is a bit of a lie, because even this is effectively sugar in the end. They just mean specific type of sugar, but it's still carbs. All carbs become sugar. So this is just a lie, a straight up lie. Okay, is this export done yet? Finally. think I fixed it. No more weird dark edges. Nothing that's too violent and up in your face. Yeah, everything else I'm fine with. Within the limits. Blonde is pretty nice too. Just wilding out there. Absolutely wild. Okay. I want to do a couple things. I want it to be more clear that when you're dragging on something, when it's about to apply a dye. Because right now it's not too clear when it does it. So I don't want red be the default actually. What kind of default do I want? It's actually a nice color. It's not bad. Special ray tracing. Because a drug, Adele, it's a drug. It's the reason we have all those nasty modern diseases going around. And to cut that thing out and be a man, stop eating carbs. Or at least limit them really, really hard. Now, granted, depending what country you live in, that may be just too expensive to buy meat, so at least then try to avoid refined sugar. But yeah, ideally, make money, move your ass to the United States, and then you can have all the meat you want. Oh yeah, rice pretty nasty. Rice is disgusting. Alright, that's much better. Property. I don't want items to have colors by default, actually. I really don't. I really don't. Dude, this looks so good on ray tracing. What the hell? One of these days I will fix the camera, but that day is not today. Look at that reflection. You can see it right in the knee. That's funny. That is really amusing. And it's including, you can even see it in the butt. That is funny. That is pretty funny. Oh yeah. Look at a reflection. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. But I'm doing this. Hey, who are you to tell people what to fap and what not to? Who are you? Okay. Go. What? Why is it getting the name of a color? That is weird. I mean, maybe it's okay, but does it say red? Victor. Brazilian? What you talking about? What you talking about? I don't have Portuguese translation yet. I could add that pretty easily, but for now all I have is English and Chinese. And you can easily duplicate this file and make into a different language translation. But first things first, why is this saying red? Mr. Jonas hiding in the corners. Where did I get the name from? Let's have a bug in here. You can put in the name. Oh, when I don't have it specified like that. I get it. I get it. Yeah, I should fix that. Get some items as a test. Okay, good. That's good. So now can also apply this here. Go completely black. Skill issue. That's pretty funny. That is pretty funny. If it makes you feel any better, I'm not a native English speaker either. But my game will be translated to Portuguese Brazilian, for sure. Shred down. Yeah, it is funny because I have a very international chat. A lot of people from other countries, almost exclusively. Mm. Yeah, Canadian is Canada is a really poor country. Yeah, its healthcare is completely nasty and disgusting. You do not want to be sick in Canada. It will be free, but it'll take 5 years before they get to you. And by then, you will no longer need that healthcare. Therefore, it's free. So that's fine. I think I'm doing a little bit of math. I want to create an option for this square to have cutout corners. So when you drag it, it's a little bit of a cutout. No, let's do it. Somewhere here. Maybe. Why not? Por que no los dos, as they say. Except I should say it with a more rolling R, like por qué? What's that going? Okay. Today will be a little bit of math, very simple math though. Shouldn't be all that bad. Speaking of Vulcan, look at all those Vulcan codes. But right, I said porque. And because I'm from Eastern Europe, I actually have a rolling R. Does Portuguese have ferretaria? Or is it Spanish only? Yeah, right here. Spanish only. I used to study a little bit of Spanish. Let's see, Spanish ferretaria. I think it was like a magazine or something. Ferretaria. Hardware. I thought it was like a name of a magazine or something. Yeah, hardware store, that's what it is. Something like that. See how to say in no, let's go from English. Oh, I see. This is ha, right? Loha de Ferragens. Fergens. Ferra. Alright. Oh yeah, nice. That'll be interesting. Alright, back to UI. Let's say we're going here. Yeah, okay. So this I'll be able to draw some corners. But now it's time to do the actual logic. I want to add some corner cuts. Mr. Adele. You're gonna have to rewrite history on your own somewhere else. Alright. Let me see how we're gonna do corners here. Right. No. Cut out the corners diagonally. Mr. Pinfall. You came just at a time. I'm going to be manually constructing triangles. Right now, just simple 2 triangles for simple stuff. Might as well do an else. don't remember exactly the way it goes, but I think the idea is you have this. This will not be as easy. Change your mind about indie music. I mean, yeah, music is always good to a degree. Although I gotta say, music is primarily good only if the game is good. Because otherwise, you don't have time to notice the music at all. It's my view. It's more like the game's amazing, and then it's like the music. Oh, the music's good too. So it's a secondary. Speaking of which, I'm a freaking foreigner. Don't know how to spell. All right. How do I want to make this thing? Maybe for now, the easiest thing would be this is 2 triangles, and this is 2 triangles. So I could actually make it out of 6 triangles. I can make it out of 6 triangles. Have I ever played Fallout New Vegas? Yes, I have. I remember the music for sure. I do not remember any music there. It's been a while. Did I play on Steam? Yeah, I beat it once, played 40 hours, and then got done with that. A Bellatra update, huh? What is that? Is that 2D battle thing? Yeah. Let's say roguelike. This thing playing. Jesus Christ, 20,000 reviews. Do you have any idea how much money they're making if they're getting 20,000 reviews, dude? Like, holy but Jesus. Oh yeah, what is this now? Real-time strategy. Nice. Anything new and interesting? That's funny. The bros rolling up on Twitch chat. I want to be political immediately to the politics thing. No, I didn't watch it. I'm busy making my game. Politicians can do whatever little thing they want to do. It took me 17 years in the United States to become a citizen, so I don't feel too worried about that. Really gonna... It's not really RTS. Age of Darkness. Looks like Heroes of Storm now. Something else. Oh, that's kind of cute. Has a demo. Perfect. Kind of cute. It's got the StarCraft 2 vibes for sure for the map. Huh. Kind of cute. Six reviews. Oh, it just came out, huh? Deck trees. Yeah, that's something else. I haven't played tower defense games in a bit of while. I'm not gonna lie, but that's fine. Anyway, I want to make them corners. Hold up. I need to have appropriate style here. Bam. Bam. I'm gonna dye everything. Bodysuit, sure. Make it black. Take that. Yeah, the models don't particularly fit well somehow, yeah. I don't know, it seems like they go for like precision and quality, but at the same time it's... yeah, I don't know. It does look a little weird. Mr. LaPlante, it's cracking. What is cracking? That's right. I always wanted to be able to set colors, so now you can dye any kind of item you want. You can make it go red, you can go blonde. That's right. A sire. Oh, it sounds a bit too European. I don't like European culture, so I more prefer to be a sir, like American sir, maybe. Anyway, let's go pick. Let's say this. Enable corners. Yeah. All right, time to do some boring math. Need to make this shape out of 6 triangles. Holiness. No, it's okay. I'm a hardcore atheist. Absolutely extreme atheist. Okay. First things first. Corner size times what? It's missing information. Maybe some of this. Am I mispronouncing that? It's been a while. Let me see.
Atheist.
Atheist.
Atheist. Atheist.
Atheist. Yeah, I'm a foreigner. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Okay. Yeah, TH is a tough sound for Eastern Europeans. Atheist. Try really hard, I'll get it eventually. But I don't say it often. Boom, black hair. Right. Well, you can also be one of those Americans who say, who enunciate the H when they say what, like what. It's pretty funny. Well, you don't say whip, you say whip. Can I have some whip? Okay. Yeah, do get window height. Although, that doesn't particularly make sense. I don't even need that, technically. Total height is 1, I believe. Indeed. Mr. Herb, or Herb. Yeah, so they'll get you. Alright, let's just do some simple stuff for now. Let's just first get the set of 2 triangles. Like, this. Oh. Weird, but it's okay. Yeah, it's a lot of WH sounds. Get a, I would like to whole whipped milk. Ain't that something? Alright, let's get this thing going. Maybe I should number it. Because this technically would be 3 and a 4. So this side is this corner size. Okay. So this was already converted into shader space. So I might need to double this. But in shader space, it is 2. Corner cut. I think this will be top plus corner cut. Let's see, is it going clockwise? Is it going clockwise? No, I think it should go counterclockwise. So we need to go to here. Yeah, some of the difficult TH stuff is name. Like, there's a name Seth, C-A-T-H, S-E-T-H. You can get complex real fast. This to left plus the width. Top plus height minus corner cut. Or is it twice? No, just once. Just once. And then this side. UV doesn't matter too much for now. Okay. Yeah, that's... You could use a bigger card, huh? Okay. Now number 4. Number 4. This one's probably the same. So I just need 2. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I got the middle half. Now it's time to do the more complex version. Half, this is 1, this is 2. The first one is here. Top, same one. Wait, this is counterclockwise, so no, we're going directly there to here. Is that about right? Oh, that's funny, it disappears. Oh, because it flips the water around. I just need to set the max, but it's fine. Also, this is not actually 45-degree cut. Corner cut left. Yeah, I think this is now correct. All right. Have a triangle. Same start as here. The middle one is different. Well, middle one is same as with 3 starts. Oh. What I need to do. Five, extra 5 starts from this portion. Goes to a new one and ends it. And I need this corner. Okay. Six, same start as 5. And then this. In the middle is here. Top is fine. There you go. Now I have cut out corners. Boom. Scales of the window height. $21 seems like a good value to start with. Right. Mm. I'll do a little bit of cuteness to it. Just a little. It's the same thing. Let's add a little bit of animation to it. RTS games. Dungeons 3. Is this old and new? I'm guessing it's old. Yeah. Base and discounts had to be old. Yeah, I've seen that. People are loving this demo. Holy crap. Holy Jesus, dude. See, because of this on Steam, this is why I actually have to care about your demo. And that's why I'm not releasing demo for quite a while. Because now if you actually release a good demo, you'll be placed in here and get a whole bunch of extra viewing. I've seen this one. Look amazing. This one did look amazing. Work. I wonder if it actually lagged or not. Since there's a demo, I want to download the demo just to see. Does it lag? Okay, that was good. Annihilate the spans. It may be something. But first, get this animation going. Yeah. I'll probably need to restart. It's nice. The only thing I don't like is how it jaggers it. I don't want it to snap so hard. Really don't. They're just too snappy. I need to smooth that thing out. Hmm. When does it first do that? Doesn't do it there, okay. So then... Yeah, button down. This is it, right? Yeah. Readable. Wait a second, this can be end. To do a little bit of a linear thing to get it into that spot. Because yeah, this is when it gets particularly nasty. In the center it feels kind of okay if it's here. Mm. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Can do that. Oh, well, I'm getting hungry. Holy crap. But Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna need this. Hmm. Do it. Oh, it does that thing. Right? Yeah. Still a little bit of a jump. Hmm. Maybe. What's the height? Oh, I should set. Know what? Well, left click at top, it seems fine. Wait, what was here before this thing? But initially it should just be there. Was this running too late? Left seems fine. It's kind of interesting. What would be minus? There's a brief flicker of something. Oh yeah, something flickers. I can see for that one moment. It must be this one. Yeah, that was that. Oops. Really? What does it drop to the ground? Oh. It's annoying. I want this thing to snap on its own as opposed to just immediately back. It's a bit too jarring. Point one is actually better. Oh yeah, I like that much better. So still like one frame and doing something incorrect. Wait. The same thing here. Oh yeah. Trick ended or yeah. Oh, I feel a need for some break. Maybe even League of Legends break. Let's see, maybe I can break through my chess rating. Highest rating ever. Keep my time advantage. Alright, it's time to win this on time. Really? Let's play it safe. I put my rook here to trade the rooks away. But whatever, he's got no time. You got no time, buddy. Your ass is as good as grass. There you go. Go home. Go home. Is this the highest ever? I think so. Hey, Victor, you can play my game here, actually. Here we go. You can play it. It's not gonna be the latest. It's gonna be like January 11th. But yeah. You can just go here and just click here. Play it. And you'll get it. Let me actually even translate that into your language. Let me see. Go here. Mr. Mikola with Ukrainian last name. Mr. Shevchenko. Victor, you should already have it. Let me see. Let me know about your... while in the game, press Ctrl C to copy. I'm going to Portuguese. Brazil. Data, Ctrl V in the chat. Share it with me. On my Discord. There you go, Mr. Victor. Basically, when you play the game, while I make UI a little prettier, oh, it'll break. You can press Ctrl C, and then if we whip it out here, or just any text editor, just press Ctrl V, and that will dump out your system settings, so it kind of gives me an idea what kind of thing you're running on. Done. Need the pretty hair back in. Well, where is it so slow? Oh, did this. Yeah, I was in the process of doing that. Come on. Try again to set that. What? Huh? I done broke something. I need to see what. Let's drag begin. What 8? It's this one, right? Oh, it's this one. Hey, oh, I get it. I get it. I did. I get it. I get it. Nice DS RX 590. Hell yeah. It's nice and low. How you getting 270 with ray tracing on? Doesn't sound right. Maybe it is. Actually, I'm not sure. What the hell is Radeon RX 590? I'm not too good of that. NG Radeon RX. Is this like a flagship or something? So much power. No, it's not a monster card by any means. By any means. Does it really have that? Let me see. Vulkan GPU info. Let's go look up your stuff. No, was it? 590, yes. Ray trace. What? Wow, I don't remember anything, huh? What's the name of this thing? Really? Doesn't have any of that. Mr. XGF, welcome back. Am I working on dice? Kinda. The one thing I didn't like about dying, I mean, that part works fine. Now that I'm happy with, no problems. What I don't like is that some of the AI I had before was a bit just, it was kind of weird. Like, I want to smooth this thing out. Like, I just added this change to the grabbing item becomes a little smoother. Before this, they're just snapping that thing like it's. Speaking of that, it's minor correction. But I think I also want to also add cute little corners to the squares. But I think I want, if you let go of the item here, I want that just glide back. I don't want it to just slap like a monster. So let's finish that. Glide back to the source. Right. Do this for now. Oh, don't I have that information? Whatever. Black Mass. What graphics am I using? It's Vulkan? Yes, it's Vulkan. The power of Vulkan. I initially started the X12, but the X12 was kind of a pain to learn. It didn't have as many font samples as I wanted to have. Vulkan was easier to learn, surprisingly. Somebody just played my game, Mr. Victor has. And I'm curious, does this video card that he has really support ray tracing? Like, it's wild. Isn't Vulkan a better version of OpenGL? It's a completely different thing. OpenGL is an old-ass system nobody cares about anymore. Mac OS doesn't even barely support it, if at all. I think Vulkan is one of the newest one. I think Metal might be newer API. But yeah. At this point, I don't care. I mean, they're all the same concepts anyway. So just whichever you get used to. But it's not something about Vulkan. I can easily go to Steam Deck with that because I can go to Linux. Whereas if I'm using DirectX 12, I'd have to go through like some kind of conversion layer. It's gonna be slow. What features doing? Focus Alex, just focus. Let's get the snag back. Let's snap this thing so it glides back in, okay? Because right now this is nice and smooth. Just goes to your mouse. But I don't like how it just like snaps back. I want to smooth it out. Okay. Now I need to reverse this. Oh, speaking of which, does this work? Oof. No, drop it. God damn it. Let's see, I need to reverse this. Let's see, take it back where it came from. Oh, that's funny. Oh, really? It's kind of nasty. Dude. Let's compare. Am I doing anything wrong? This is going into this and that. Oh God. Doesn't quite land where I thought it would land. What? Oh, oh, I need this. Oh. Doesn't quite go where it should go. It does a little hop, which means this thing is not quite right. Going into here. Oh. One microphone I'm using, it's one of the usual stuff. I basically just went to YouTube and looked up like what kind of microphones to use for the setups and whatever it was. I don't remember now. It's been a year, whatever it is. I think it's some Shiv 7 or whatever, SH something. It's probably one of the common stuff people use. Nothing groundbreaking. Hey, that looks much better. It just kind of goes. Just flies right back. Well, I think maybe for one frame. Not sure. I feel like for one frame's doing something weird. But it's probably fine. At least you can kind of bounce it like this now. It's kind of cute. Boom, 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 boom. Use a USB variant? I think so. I think what I have is Shiv, whatever. Oh. Oh yeah, the Shure. I got the Shure MV7. This is what I got. Yeah, this is the one. Probably this one. Yeah, I think so. I guess I have to buy this one. Really? Yeah, this one doesn't even list. I'm not sure which one I have, plus or not. What do I have? I think I have the older one. This is just not the Plus. I guess Plus is a newer, more expensive version. Which means you can't even get this microphone anymore. You have to go for the Plus. Yeah, I don't have the Plus. Yeah, this is the one I have. You can no longer get it, dude. No longer being sold. Yeah, but look at that. It just kind of bounces. Boom, 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 boom. There's one actually something here. But that's gonna take more effort to fix. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Because technically when you miss, it's the same item going back. But if you drop it to a new spot, it actually creates a new object. And it doesn't know exactly what it is. So that's when you get to snap. But you know what? I don't want to fix too many things at once like that. We'll just keep that for now. That's good enough. I'll say it's good enough. Oh, Victor. You got one of the forbidden top clothing parts. I try not to play that on YouTube or Twitch, as I might get banned. Yeah, in a full game, as I get closer to the demo, actually I'm gonna make that to be like super difficult type to find. Oh yeah, this feels so much better and there's like a little bit of emotion to it. It's like a little bit more alive. Oh, I didn't want that. Pick it up. Increasing breath size, yeah. Unfortunately that I'm not sure I'll be able to do. Because that also means affecting all the clothing parts as well. Which I don't think if I can do compute that easily. So probably not. You'll just have to stick to what you got. And she's got plenty. Oh yes, that's great. Volumetric. Some games have that. I'm guessing what they have is some kind of like a shape key thing you can apply. But I just don't know how to apply that to all the clothings. I'm sure there's some way to do it. I just don't know. I know about shape keys. I know I can do that, but I don't know how easily apply it to all the clothings. The next thing I wanted to do was... Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the car is awesome. What I want to do is be able to, when you drag the die on top of an item, I want to indicate some kind of indication that it's not just going to be... Oh, son of a biscuit. Get this die to me. If you just have two dies, they just swap around like it's nobody's business. You know what? This is not quite right. I mean, it happens really fast, so you don't really see it. I'll tackle that later. I shall tackle that later. Yeah, I think what's happening is that your video card does not support ray tracing. You've probably seen something like this. Which, by the way, actually, now's the time to fix this for non-ray tracing mode so the cards actually apply correctly. You've probably seen this. This is my low-end renderer. My game has 2 renderers. Yeah. But yeah, actually, I forgot about that. This render doesn't support custom colors yet. Which is time. Yeah, I did have to fix a number of bugs in AMD systems. It has some really weird like pixels whatnot. But I think I get that addressed. There was even a crash in random AMD card, which was my fault. But should be good. But if not, you know what? Maybe I should just buy myself an AMD card. How do you make sure the ray tracing hardware is actually being used? So what happens then is that Vulkan has different ways for me to ask what kind of hardware you have, what kind of abilities it has. And if it has enough of what I need, I enable ray tracing renderer. Otherwise, I go to like the super cheap one. Like this game doesn't look like much like in this mode, but I can run even without physical GPU. Like it runs on integrated graphics. Which I might as well push into that pretty hard. Yeah. But I gotta say, dude, like talking to Vulkan, it takes like 1,000 lines of code to ask all the different parts. Because you're not just asking for one little toggle like ray tracing, yes, no. You have to like ask for a whole bunch of different parts. Okay. Color override. Let's go fix that. Oh, do I fix... Actually, before I do that... Hate this bug. I really do. I need to get rid of all the GPU particles because it's too buggy for me. I'm probably just not good enough to deal with GPU particles. Just need to get rid of that. Oh, you also do not get a mirror if you don't have ray tracing. Like here, you get a mirror, but without ray tracing, you get no mirror. Sucks to be you. Sucks to be you. But let's save this. Smooth item movement when being dragged. The mouse. Okay. Now let's go fix ray tracing stuff here. Non-ray tracing mode, rather. Okay. This could be this. Alright, shader time. Mr. Shader. This is all them ray tracing shaders. Don't care about that. I need this. Think so. Think so. Is this how it happens? Now this one has override color in object data. Oh, I shove it in here. Let's see. I see. Oh, so it's per object, right? Where's object? Here, it needs to go here. Yeah. Alright, Mr. G buffer pass. Just like that, from UI to Vulkan back again. Instances data for skinned object draw here. Ooh, I have it here, but not for skinned stuff. Okay. Right. Oh. A constant for this. It's fine for now. Still need to modify shader, hold up. Blanks, called right, yeah. Now it's time to put it to use. Really? It's kind of lame. No, I really wish to convert this to slang, or it'd be easy to write code in here, to be honest. Okay. 7. Okay, where's base stuff at? Right here, okay. It's a Victor. Yeah, I haven't balanced the game enough to actually make it fully challenging yet. Especially if you play in a playtest mode, you basically get unlimited ability. Should go back to that once I do all this pretty stuff again. Flags. Yeah. Let's see. Whoops. Oh, hold up. May have made a boo-boo. No. Huh? The hell did I do? No problems here. No problems with validation layers of Vulkan either. Huh? But I didn't do anything. I don't understand. Where's another broke? 6, 7. Out. Flags. Dude, why? Okay, fine. What exactly going on here? What? Timestamp. It's talking to a dead object. Why? Oh. I'm confused. Why is this pointer dead? Yeah, this is not good. Huh? The fire damage is broken, meaning like it's too overpowered? Is what you mean by broken? It's too OP? Yeah, I'll need to bounce it quite a bit. Haven't gotten to balancing. Let's see, balancing have to be somewhere here. All the skills, like this will be the fire thing, like fireball. If you do some balancing on that stuff. Okay, so just runs now? Cool. Yeah, I know that. Something to go to ugly mode for a little bit. Make sure everything is clean and pristine. Yeah. Okay, so custom colors are working here as well. Default hair. I think I wanted hair to be by default red, actually. Don't want that. It needs to be something more. Something more demure. Like maybe brunette. Maybe. Okay. So non-ray tracing works fine now. So we can go back to pretty mode. Okay. Not sure I like brunette color here, to be honest. It's too dirt-like, but I'll let it be for now. But fixed non-IT render for color overrides scanned meshes. A little bit of shader work, just a little bit. Let me see, how do I want... black one. I need to somehow indicate... Wait, does a little hop? It does a little funny hop, doesn't it? It does snap up a little bit in the beginning. I see that's what it does. Just a tiny bit. Oh, it's going back. Confused. Still does a tiny hop. Oh yeah, since I won a chess game. Is this the highest I've ever been? Oh, I'm 2 points off from the highest ever. Just 2 more points. Nice. Nice. Why are you doing that hop up? I do not understand. Okay, well, that fixed it. Some robots don't run away and don't attack. Yeah, they do that. They do have a thing where they're trying to go back to like a point they're defending. So if they walk too far away, they'll try to go back. I might have to... I think I'll have to do rewrite. That's basically like an older design that I had in mind. Since then, it's been changed. I need to readjust that a bit. Oh yeah, I like this. Doesn't look smooth in the stream, but 144 frame. This looks nice and clean. Anyway, what I wanted to do was, when you drag this over, you should change the name, something like apply. Like when it's being dragged over, should add a thing to it. Actually, it's not completely wild and crazy. Although right now I don't have any kind of checks to see. What would be kind of cool. Maybe what I can do is make the items move slightly closer to where the mouse is as you hover around. So that, like the item just moves on the slide a little bit like here. Just kind of glides it towards the mouse. That'd be kind of cool. The slurp of thesing looks great, right? Let me check. Hmm. I think so. Yeah. Has like a sticking thing at the end there. I think that's good. There's like a frame or two drawing a bunch of random crap that I shouldn't see. There's a flicker. But yeah, I'll fix it later. Hmm. Thanks, Victor. Just getting started. Oh, it's been a year now. So getting started. I need to get back into balancing the game out. I think I'm gonna make a break for food. Yeah, good luck, Victor. Study English. What do they say in Spanish, at least? Maybe shouldn't just do preview when it's being dragged back. Oh, whoops. Maybe it's just this. Wait. It's freaking observer. I don't want to make this change. This. Yeah, it's pattern. That'll need to be fixed. It's way too easy to drop items right now. Way too easy. Yeah, I'll go with this for now. It's only that drops it now. Yeah. Alright. I'm way too hungry now, so I'll take a break. I shall come back maybe later or maybe probably continue tomorrow. Take care.